Okay, soil organic matter is the next test we'll be covering. And soil organic matter is the organic component of the soil. And in your guide, you'll see a figure 1 that shows the different components of soil organic matter, which are the decomposing or active organic matter, the stable organic matter, or the humus. That's what gives the soil the dark or the black color. Small living organisms such as your microbes in the soil, and then our fresh residue, which has just begun to break down. The importance of soil organic matter is that it serves as a reservoir for crop nutrients, serves for soil aggregation, increases nutrient exchange, available water capacity, compaction, reduced bulk density, all of the important things for soil to function. Soil organic matter is probably the and most important thing that you can manage for in a field. And for soil health, it is absolutely the most important. Inherent factors that affect soil organic matter is the next section of your guide. And when we have soil temperatures, areas of the country that have soil temperatures that are higher, we have higher levels of soil moisture. The microbes in the soil are more active, and so you're going to break the organic matter down quicker. Also, soil aeration or porosity, oxygen levels in the soil will increase breakdown of organic matter. So that's what happens when we do tillage in a field. We go in, we till the field, we temporarily stir that up, add oxygen, we break down our organic matter faster than we would like to. So that's the importance of doing our residue management and keeping the the soils intact as well. Areas that are historically prairies or grasslands will have higher levels of organic matter, and that's shown in figure 2. The Midwest has higher organic matter naturally. Areas that are forested will have a smaller root mass per acre, will not die back annually, so forested areas tend to have lower organic matter than grasslands. Managing organic matter is the next section. It's real important to understand it, and really it's managing your crops, good rotations. High residue crops are important. Eliminating tillage, which causes a flush of microbial activity, so if we can eliminate that, that's a positive thing. Reducing erosion, soil testing and fertilizing. If we over-fertilize, we're going to tend to burn up or lose some of our organic matter. Also using perennial forages with deep root systems such as alfalfa or grasses in rotation would also be excellent. So in the case of areas that are in native grass, they're going to be highest levels or the highest potential for organic matter for that soil. So if we put our fields into CRP or things like that, we could build up our soil organic matter. Function, soil organic matter's relationship to function is very important. Again, nutrient supply, nutrient cycling, increased water holding capacity, increases our cation exchange capacity for the nutrients important for crop production. Soil aggregation to build better soil structure, better infiltration, and erosion prevention. If we have a soil that's high in organic matter, well aggregated, it'll hold together better and will not erode as easily. Talks about steady state, where the rate of organic matter from crop residues added does not change as much. So soil organic matter will decline as you get below that steady state. It also discusses how much residue it might take to increase organic matter 1%. And in this example, it takes approximately 2 million pounds of residue to break down to increase our soil organic matter by 1%. So again, soil organic matter is really the most important thing to stress related to soil health and soil function to your students.